for math, we have been learning the numbers, and we're trying to get up to 100, which we are going to reach this week, which is exciting. So we did the numbers up to 10, and then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and last week we got all the way up to the 80s. Okay, and so today we're going to work on the number 90. All right, so here is the number 90. It's a 9 and a 0. Okay, we hear the 9 in the number 90. All right, and they wrote it for you here, 90. So we have a 9 and a 0 to make 90, and the word 90. And we're going to go all the way up to 99, and then we're going to stop, just like we do in school. We're not going to go to 100 today. Okay, so I want you to count with me from 90, and we'll stop at 99. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. So the numbers that you are going to write on your paper today are going to be starting with this 9, and then we'll have a different ending depending on what the problem is or what they ask you to do. Okay, like we do in school, I'm going to flip our chart to the side, and we have rows. This time we have carrots. Remember, when a row is full, we don't have to count it all, and we can just count by tens. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to count our rows. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So just like that, by counting by tens, we know that there are 90 carrots on this poster, which is a lot of carrots. Okay, now I want you to think for a minute, who would be excited to get 90 carrots? What do you think? Now if you said a rabbit, that might be right? We know that rabbits love carrots. I know that my chickens love to eat carrots. My next door neighbor comes over with her extra carrots and chops them up and feeds them to my chickens. Okay, so a lot of animals would probably like 90 carrots. If you love carrots, you might want to get 90. Now, not to eat at one time because you might get a tummy ache, but if you love carrots, which carrots are good for you, so that's a good thing, you might want 90 carrots, okay? Or like we talked about, certain animals would love to have 90 carrots. Okay, so for today, all of our numbers are going to be 90. Now, before I stop this part of the video, we're going to go ahead and we're going to practice writing, okay? So I want you to remember that the 9 is first, okay? And we know how to make a 9. We know we go around at the top and make a stick down, kind of like a lollipop on the side. Okay, the lollipop part is on the side. So we're going to make our round part for our 9 and our stick down, and then our 0. And remember, we want to try to make our 0 so that we don't know where we stopped and where we started. That neat, okay, right around. So a 90 is a 9 and then a 0, okay? And you'll have plenty of practice time on your paper today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you another video, and I'm going to go over your paper with you so that we get our sticks and our babies all right with our 10s and our 1s. Okay, so you can go ahead and get your paper, your math paper ready with 90 on it, and you can do that with me on the computer. Okay?